It's another third Sunday of the month, and that means Sonoma County No Prep RC drag racing is going on. I am making another attempt back at the list. I got some fresh tires. I put on my STRC wheelie bar, and the truck felt really good in practice this morning. Sun's coming out, so that usually means track gets better. Should be good to go. We have this is the top 10 list that I'm trying to get onto. This guy's not here today. This guy's not here today, so our list is going to get pretty shuffled up. Race day schedule for what's going on. We do call outs, then the challenger elimination. Call outs with the golden ticket race in there, which will be the guy who wins this is basically going to get right onto the list, have a break, and we do that all over again. And I got 2 shots to try to get onto the list, because that's where you want to be. Because on the race day, the challenger or the chip list guys, the top 10s, they get to race 4 times versus only 2. The board is blank. We're getting ready to do pictures and all that. Sunday fun day. Top 10 list racing is about to get underway. They pulled their chips, and what that does is it determines the order that they get to do the call out. So there's 1 through 10, and you pick a number, and that allows you to challenge the racer above you, is the idea, so that you can advance up this list. So they pull a chip, it's got a number, and that's when they get to do their call out. Anyway, it just stops all the nonsense from people having to run around, call each other out, and stuff like that. So that's about to get underway. I'm down here as the line judge, so because the races are so close, we stand here with a cell phone and record it, and then if it's too close to call, we can watch it again in slow. Oh, that's it. Top 10 list number 1 is done. The white Mustang right there, being driven by that guy, Daniel Judd, just took and defended the number 1 spot from that guy and that car. So good times. So now we're going to draw chips for our challenger elimination race to do the pairings for our first round. I raced Sam in the black car. Me and Sam had a good race. Good run, buddy. I moved through 1 round. We're a couple races from the end, and then we're gonna draw chips again and do it all. Made it through 1 more round. So I've made it through 1 more round. Easy for me to say. So I'm through the 2nd round. Gonna be into the 3rd round. I raced Dave way over there. It was a good time. Good clean passes are happening, so truck's running good. This is the face you make when you win the elimination round, and because our number 10 wasn't here, I automatically got on the list. I did my sweet buy run pass, and now I'm number 10 on the list. And depending on how the chips fall next round, I have to race somebody or not. I don't think I have to actually race anybody, so it should be awesome. I'm stoked. About to get underway. They're making some lash prep cleaning. I am number 9 on the list right now. I pulled the number 8 chip, so I gotta wait a while before I'm gonna find out who I get to race. So come back and let you know how I did. All right, so I made it through my round. Me and Danny P raced. It was sweet. Good race. And I was able to bump up 1 spot, so I went from 9th to 8th, so I'm kind of in a safe spot. I won't get bumped off the list very easily so long as I show up. And I should be able to make the next couple list races because I think I'm gonna be in town. So I'm stoked right now. I've tried to get on the list for 3 different months and always came up just a little bit short. Last month when you guys watched, I made it to the last round, the last round of eliminations in elimination set number 1, and the second one I got bumped the first round, so today was super sweet. I'm stoked. We are working into our 4th and final round of chip list racing. We pulled our chips. I pulled the number 2 chip, so my race will be 2nd up, and I gotta race Tony, this guy whose car is extremely fast, and he beat me last time we raced, I'm pretty sure. So I turned the juice up. A little bit to give myself a shot.
Yeah. Trademark up right now.
Yeah, you guys are up right now, and you have lane choice.
Left. Oh, and I think I just blew the tire out there. Next up. Right here.
Freddie and Tim, you're on the right check.
That was a good race.
What's next?
Drivers ready?
Whoa! I heard a tire going.
Did you see it
Still
fly?
going the field. Still going.
It's gone.
Who got that one?
Well, I failed miserably. I had to turn the end bell timing up a little bit to give me a little more top end, and it was a good launch. Got down the track, and it started to track, put in a little bit too much inputs, and it kind of stepped sideways, unloaded the rear end, diffed out, and blew my tire right off my sweet beadlock. We've been running beadlocks because we're lazy, but oh well. They work fine. It's just under that kind of RPM, when it unloads the diff, it's crazy. I could see the tire from all the way back here. It might even be in the footage, we'll see. But anyway, doesn't matter. I'm still number 8. So I'm kind of pretty safe on the list for a bit. Come back, race some more. Stoked. Sunday fun day. Sonoma County NPRC racers.
Drivers ready.
Oh!
Drivers ready. Drivers ready.
Oh!
Drivers ready. Drivers ready. Drivers ready.
Whoa!
Drivers ready. Drivers ready.
That's my whip. It's a Proline Pro 2, which is like their old race version of the Slash, and I have limited shocks in the front. These are the rear shocks that are limited inside, and these are front shocks on the back, normal length, and the stiff springs that they had. And I ended up putting a Traxxas transmission and rear end on here, Intellect battery pack, XR10, and this is actually a 5.0 turn, and I run the big beefy gears. I want to say it's a 54 and a 12 gearing, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe it's a 58. It's a 58 and a 12.